Video, and in today's class I am gonna discuss the chapter of your science subject, and this is from class 7th. Okay, so this video is about class 7th science. Okay, so your 7th chapter, which is chapter 7, and chapter 7 is the name of the chapter is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to the climate. Okay, so chapter 7 is weather, climate and adaptation. This is the name of the chapter. Okay, so this is the name of the chapter, weather, climate and adaptation. Okay, so when I talk about adaptation, we talk about the adaptation of animals only, not anyone else's. Okay, so moving forward to the first topic of the chapter, which is weather. So when I say about weather, you must know what we call a weather. What do you mean by weather? Okay, so weather means मौसम. The Hindi meaning, I think you know this, but what is weather? You must know what is weather. Okay, so a weather is a environmental condition for a short period of time. You can say for 24 hours, for 12 hours, you can say that. Okay, so for a short weather time, the condition of an environment is called weather. Whether it is more humid, less humid, the rainfall is high or low, it is hot or cold, then that condition is called weather. So first of all, write down the definition of weather. Okay, so note it down. The environment, yeah, so so the definition in your book is must be clear. So I am following an NCERT book, so I will teach according to that. So the environmental condition of a place for a short period of time, in bracket you can write for 24 hours, we approximately study for 24 hours, it is called weather. So this is the definition of weather. Okay, note it down. First of all definition, then I will move forward to the some more thing about weather. Okay, so I don't have a duster here. So after this, just think about what so we are discussing about weather. So when you think about weather, then you can easily imagine where we see the word weather. so it is very common in news channels or in newspaper. So when you see news channel weather report or a weather report in newspaper, okay, so we deal with many points like humidity, rainfall, and the most important, temperature. These 3 points are actually important. So these 3 points are nothing but factors of a weather, okay, factors of weather. So if you don't know what is weather report, then you can go to you can see a newspaper and you can watch out the weather report there, or you can also watch that on television, okay. So these are factors, so note it down, factors of weather. You can note down one more thing about weather report. Weather report is prepared. Weather report is prepared on the basis of factors of weather in last 24 hours. Note it down. So when you see a weather report, then a weather report is nothing but a prediction. Weather report is nothing but a prediction which is prepared on the basis of factors of weather. What are the factors of weather? Humidity, rainfall and temperature. In last 24 आवर, लास्ट 24 आवर में हमारे एरिया का टेम्परेचर कैसा था, लास्ट 24 आवर में रेनफॉल कैसा था एंड ह्यूमिडिटी कैसी थी. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट ओनली वेदर रिपोर्ट को प्रिपेयर किया जाता है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू से दैट. नोट इट डाउन. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड ahead to some more, if let's see some more points of weather, and the next topics is also there, which is climate. So I use the word rainfall, so you can say how a rainfall is measured. So there is a point in your book, so note it down. It is measured by an instrument, okay. Rain gauge, yeah, note it down. It is measured by a instrument called rain gauge. Yeah, so rain gauge is an instrument in which rainwater is collected, and according to that measurement, how much millimeter or how much centimeter is water is collected inside that, we measure the rainfall. Note it down. Now the topic weather is completed. Now we will move forward to climate. So the next topic after weather, we have to deal with climate. So first of all, you must know what is climate, the definition of climate, okay. So weather is what? try to revise the weather. Weather is what? It is a condition of environment of a short duration, you can say of 24 hours, but a climate is environment condition of a long period of time, you can say 24 or 25. We predict climate on the basis of last 25 years. Okay, so first of all, write the definition. A climate is the condition of the environment of last environment for a long period of time, you can say a long period of time. When I say a long period of time, you can imagine of 25 years. Okay, so when we talk about climate, we study on 25 years. Okay, now this is the definition of climate. So the climate is of two types, hot climate and dry climate. Okay, hot and dry climate is also there and there can also be a cold and dry climate. Okay, note it down first, the definition. Now we will deal about some more factors of, when I say about factors of climate, what should be the factors there? So when we talk about climate, there should be some factors. Okay, yeah, so in climate topic the definition was only important thing. Now we will discuss the next topic, climate and adaptation. Okay, climate and adaptation in our next class. So till then you have to revise this topic and we will discuss the next part in our next video.